Steve Walker. Superbike, 8-lap wide. Christie over Garvey, Nakash, and Prue. Top 4 in through turn number 2. Told us on the 56 bike. Steve Walker on the 78. Jimmy Prue on the 171. 53 is Eli Nakash. 71 Garvey. And up front, number 20, Jodi Christie. Top 4 riders now, Prue, Nakash, Christie, and Garvey have sprinted away from the number 78 of Steve Walker, who's being pursued by 56. Tim Toldness, the amateur rider. Coming here from Eli Nakash. Nakash running back in 3rd spot on the 53 bike. Possibly down on horsepower just a bit, and I suspect Garvey is probably using the CBR 1000. Nakash meanwhile mounted. Sitting back in 4th spot, waiting for a move from this man, number 171, Jimmy Prue. See whether he's saving something for late in the race. Prue running back a somewhat distant 4th at this point in time. Garvey being hounded by Nakash now as they come off the S's and down into Allen's. On off his national championship win at Shannonville, Nova Scotia, Jodi Christie on the accelerated technologies Honda Canada CBR 1000. Christie at this point coming out of turn. Christie all by his lonesome now coming in through Allen's Corner, turn number 13. But charging in third place and the final position in this race. Well, let's complete round 4 of the Race Super Series for 2014. We're going to give Jodi a chance to carry this checkered flag once more.